Tonight on Reporting Scotland, controversy over a payoff package for the former chief executive of the troubled health board, NHS Tayside. Good evening. There are claims tonight NHS Tayside's former chief executive received a payoff package of more than £300,000. Leslie Macleay was removed from her post nearly 4 months ago following concerns over financial management, and it's been confirmed she left the board last week. Tonight, NHS Tayside denied the payoff was on that scale. Andrew Anderson reports.
Leslie Macleay seen here earlier this year with the then Health Secretary. She was forced out of her job in April. Shona Robson called her position as NHS Tayside Chief Executive untenable. Ms Macleay went on sick leave and 4 months later she's now left the organisation. This MSP says she understands Ms Macleay has left with a payoff of more than £300,000.
Quite frankly, I think this is a slap in the face for everyone working in NHS Tayside and for the people of Tayside. She presided over financial chaos in NHS Tayside and a real lack of leadership of staff and for patient care there as well.
NHS Tayside has suffered years of financial difficulties. The government's bailed it out on a number of occasions to the tune of £40 million. Already under close scrutiny, it then emerged the board had used charity money to help pay for an IT system. Leslie Macleay and the chairman, John Connell, were replaced. This is not the first time a senior NHS executive has left with a payoff in controversial circumstances. It's happened in NHS Lothian and NHS Grampian, but this one seems to have caused particular outrage. Earlier today, the First Minister was asked about the reports of a large payout.
These are contractual matters between NHS Tayside and the member of staff concerned. It would not be appropriate for me to comment on the detail of that. What is important for the government and what I think is important for the board is that the momentum now in making sure that the issues in that health board are addressed continues.
Tonight, NHS Tayside said it denied the claims but would not confirm how much its former chief executive had been paid. It went on, as with any NHS Tayside employee, Ms Macleay received what she was contractually entitled to and nothing more upon leaving the organisation. Scotland's public spending watchdog has already said she would look carefully at any severance money paid to Leslie Macleay. We've been unable so far to contact Ms Macleay for her comment. Andrew Anderson, Reporting Scotland, Dundee.